In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background to a photo in Luminar Neo. Whether you're looking to create a stunning art piece or just want to change the look of your photo, this guide will help you achieve professional-looking results with ease. First, let's begin by launching Luminar Neo on your desktop. Once the application is open, navigate to the Catalog tab. This is where you can access all your photos. Simply select the image you want to work with from the list. If it's not already there, click on Add Photos to upload the image directly from your computer. With your image selected, move over to the Edit tab. If your image already has a background that you want to replace, the next step is crucial. Click on your image and look for the Masking option under the Tools section. This is where Luminar Neo's AI-powered background removal feature comes into play. Select Background Removal and let the AI work its magic to remove the existing backdrop seamlessly. In the case where your image either already has a transparent background, or if you've just removed it, the next step is to find the Layers panel. Below the Layers section, you'll notice a small plus icon. Click on it to add a new background. Here, you have options to either add an image from your own collection or make use of the assets available within Luminar Neo. Once your new background is added, head over to the Layer Properties and increase the opacity to 100% for that layer. This will ensure the background is clearly visible. Now comes the fun part, adjusting your new background to fit your vision. Start by positioning and resizing the background using the corner handles. Make sure it fits well with your original photo and complements the composition you're aiming for. For a more polished look, let's add some depth with a blur effect. Go to the Creative Tools tab, find the Blur tool, and apply it to your background layer. Be sure to mask out your subject so they remain sharp, creating a striking depth of field effect. To refine your work even further, experiment with the blend modes in the Layer Properties panel. This will help you explore different interactions between your subject layer and the new background, opening up a range of creative styles. Once you're satisfied with the final result, it's time to save your masterpiece. Head to the top right corner and click on the Export button. Save your edited photo as a new file. If you need to preserve a transparent background, opt for saving it as a PNG or TIFF file. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to effortlessly add a background to a photo in Luminar Neo. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this video useful.